morning, everybody. This is Saturday, September the 13th, and we're at Sisters Creek again.
We like it.
We like it. Yep. It's a nice day. Windy. It is, well, they're saying that it's probably about 11 to 16 miles per hour wind. It's not, though. It doesn't seem like it. It doesn't seem like it. But it is quite nice. It's not going to get hot. That's a good thing. But Joe had the day off because Amazon, that's where he works, Amazon, closed their plant. Yeah, tell your business. They closed the plant down today for
Maintenance.
So he wanted to go fishing. The tide is dead low right now. What was that?
It's not dead low, but it's getting there.
Joe's got a new rig on his rods. Tell him what kind of rig you got.
You tell them.
Some kind of, it's called a donkey rig. Anybody knows what that is? You know what it is. I don't know what it is. It's got two lures on there.
Yeah. Anywhere you want is fine. Huh? Well, that's okay. Now we know what the wind feels like. And I don't mind it as long as I bring an anchor. If we were bottom anchored right now with a grapnel anchor instead of that mushroom anchor, even that mushroom anchor would be great. And you cast wherever you want, by the way. But yeah, see how good we are now? As far as not moving. So on a non-windy day, these are going to be perfect to control the current. And we might only need one on some days. It's good. It's a good spot because that's right where I cast. Is that what you're doing?
No.
You're saying he catches fish, so I'm going to cast everywhere he casts.
No.
I'm going to go to the left. But that's one thing I wish these poles could go down further, so I don't have to hike over them.
I think it's all off.
But are you as nervous of being in it as you used to be?
No.
And how are you feeling today?
I feel a little nauseous.
Well, I mean, because of the
Water's
wind.
moving too much.
Because of the wind. I'm not talking about your
Oh,
seasickness.
no, I'm not.
You're always going to feel a little nauseated.
Yeah, the wind, the waves coming.
So I'm not really talking about that. I'm just, as far as it being a little sketchy today.
No, I'm good. All
You
that
feel
I'm
safe,
good.
right?
Yeah.
That's over with.
Well, I'm safe with you. You're not going to let me drown.
No, sometimes I want to.
You're not going to let a gator get me.
Sometimes I want to let a gator get.
Listen. I don't even think there's a gator out here. But I'd like to see one. But I don't believe there's one out here.
Felt like I had them. Then I felt like I didn't. anchor and it doesn't get on this. I don't understand why. Look at that. Look at that. That action.
See that action.
So
That's what I think. Like wind condition.
and once I cast, you can cast. That's fine because I'm already gone. You get it?
I didn't mean to even go that way though.
It doesn't matter. If you give like a 3-second pause to what I'm doing, yeah, see how they stay separated? I'm so impressed with this.
You got them on swivels?
Well, I'll show you what I got if you want to see. I tried to show you the other day. And you was like, no.
Oh, I see.
So I have a swivel tying my hook on, and then this up. Look at this. This is on a sliding swivel.
Okay.
So if two fish run, they run in opposite directions for starters.
water. Whoa! We are surfing in on Sisters Creek.
Yeah.
We're surfing. We're not.
50-mile-an-hour
Look.
winds is a no-no.
Yeah, see, we are. This is some high. Getting to be high tide. Well, not high tide. The tide's coming up, and the wind is so bad. I am recording this so that my kids will know. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, so they can come identify the body.
They come identify the bodies. No, we're right here. Yes, I am. We're right here at the boat dock. So that's the fishing dock that we go off of sometimes. We brought the kids there last week. So we're not that far. So if I had to swim, I could swim. I really don't want to swim, but I could. We're good. We're going to go ahead and... Yeah. It's still pretty rough right here. And see, now that's going back that way. And we're going that way. So I'll let you know when we get to the boat ramp.